Got a helmet, guys. It's a flip-up version. It's way nice. Nicer. Well, nicest welding helmet I've had because it's the first one. It's only 20 bucks, which I'm happy about that. Once I get the money, though, I'd like a auto change, but I don't see any time in the near future I'm going to come along money-wise, you know. It works pretty good. Here, let me look through to it. Walk outside here. Let you look at the sun over here. See, there's the sun. There. Where is it? There we go. There's the sun. Pretty nice. It's dark. Definitely dark. It's a Lincoln helmet. It's got extended neck guard for sparks. This flips up, which is nice. You can flip it back down. You can see I'm using my cell phone for this video. But okay, let me put it on here. There's my kitty over there. See? Cool. So I can use it as a regular helmet, or just flip it down, or I can keep it down. Well, I can keep it down. Flip it down like that. It's pretty nice. So, see you later, YouTube. Bye.